Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Coding Hives. This is Rasina with you. So today we are going to solve a problem to find the largest even number in a list. Okay. So if we know how to check a number is even or odd, right? I have a number 5. I know 5 is an odd number. By how? Because when we are dividing 5 with 2, we will get a remainder of 1, right? So here we need to check the remainder while dividing with 2, right? So for that we are using a operator named modulus operator. Okay, so this modulus operator gives the remainder. So we need to check if the corresponding number modulus 2 is equal to 0 or not. If 0, then we can fix it as an even number. Clear? So here first initially I have a numbers list. I already wrote the numbers list here. Then we need to initialize our largest even number. Before in program also we defined as infinity, something like that, right? Here we can initialize as none. Like then I need to iterate like for num in numbers. Then first condition is we need to check that is even or odd, right? If even, then only we need to go for the process, like we need to find it is largest or not, we need to check, right? So that case I can check something like that. Now if number 2 equal to 0, then what I need to do, then again I need to check if largest even is there or not. First I'll check is none. That means if there is no largest even is there, or there is some conditions like our corresponding number is greater than largest even, right? There are two conditions we can check. Either any of one is correct, it will execute the code inside it. Okay, first condition is if largest even is none, that means there is no largest even number is there, so we can assign this number as our largest even, or the current number is greater than the largest even. So if any one of the condition is true, it will come inside this block. So our largest even is equal to our current number. Clear? So now how I can check. So for that I can give something like that. If that largest even is there, I can say something like that. Print largest even. I can give something like largest even. Then I can give the number largest even, right? Otherwise there is no largest even, right? Then else I can just say there is no even number in the list or something like that. No even numbers in the list. Yeah, clear? So this is the thing. We will check the code here. Yeah, here we can see. So this is our numbers list, and this is the largest even number, right? Clear? So you got the idea, I think, right? First we initialized the number, then we initialized largest even as none. So then we are iterating through the list for num in numbers. Then we are checking if that is even, then only we need to check it is largest or not, right? So if it is even, then we are coming inside this loop. So here if largest even is none or num greater than largest even, so that means if there is no largest till now, or this condition the current number is greater than the previous largest even, in that case we can assign largest even as our current number, right? So like this the loop will go, and at the end the largest even will be in our variable named this thing. Then we need to check if there is largest even, right? Then only it will print this. Otherwise, for example, I can say I will remove this even numbers in this thing, this 77. I will remove this also. Okay, so in this case it will show like no even numbers in the list. Okay, so that is a working of, you can see, that is a working of this code. I hope you got a better idea how we can check this largest even number in the list. Now if someone is asking for odd number, you can just change this to 1. That's enough. Okay, so if it is 1, that means odd number, right? Like that we can calculate. If smallest number, we can do, if someone is asking to find the smallest even number or smallest odd number, then you need to just do the calculation like num less than this. Just I will show here. For example, I will go some, okay. So now I will run here. So we will get largest. I mean, I didn't change this one, right? So it's the smallest number we can get. So once you know the logic and once you know the code, how it works, you will get, you can do any kind of program, no issues. Okay. So this is the one way of doing this largest even number in a list. Now we will do the same question using list comprehension. Okay. Before we learned what is mean by list comprehension, so how I can do that? For doing the same thing, I will assign the same numbers list, right? So I will take the same numbers list here. Then even numbers we are going to first time I will calculate. I will find the even numbers. So here even numbers, how I can do num, then for num in, our iterable name is numbers, right? So this one, then we need to give the condition if num mode 2 equal to 0. That means it will show get the all the even numbers. Okay, so first we will find all the even numbers, then we can find out the um, maximum of that number, right? So maybe in some cases also there will be no even numbers. So if we need to check that also, if even numbers, there is any even number, then we need to print the maximum of that even number, right? So very easy, clear. So when I'm going to run this code, I will go to 878. This is the output of this one, max of this. Okay, clear. So what we did here, first we initialized a list, then using list comprehension we make a list of even numbers from the original numbers list using this thing. Then we checked if even numbers, if there is any even numbers, then only we need to do this, right? Otherwise you can give a this one also, like print there is no, sorry, print no even numbers or something like, okay. So this is the working of now it will show even numbers only, right? So this is the working of a list comprehension to find the largest even number in a list. So I hope you got a better idea to find largest even number in a list, right? So now I will give you a homework. You want to do a homework, just try this. So the homework is find second largest even number in a list. Okay, just to try it and comment it in the comment box. Okay, and if you have any doubts or any problems while doing this question, you can ask in the comment box. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.